hour and a half.
Mga hirit ni Sir
Shot and
Zach.
soccer.
Okay na ba, sir?
Nasa kabila.
Okay ni. Bali guys, nandito tayo sa CFMOTO Factory dito sa Hangzhou. Hangzhou, China. Laki. Brief history about this, guys. This is actually a 650 NK remodeled to a sports bike. It actually finished 4th place in Isle of Man TT 2016. Imagine, 4th place. Yes. The first Chinese bike that won Isle of Man TT. Okay, brief history another to this bike. This is Cheling Ching. Can't remember. This is actually the first bike that they ever built in 1989. KTM office, I mean. Sir Zach, everybody.
Machine parts, machine center. That's where your motorcycle parts are made.
What's this?
Those are CNC machines doing mill parts for your motorcycle.
Meld parts. Isipin nyo yung isa dyan, siguro 3 Fortuner, isa lang yan. Imagine all of that. Supply, warehouse, lahat ng pyesa, finished products. Makikita doon may mga block, engine block, right there. Lahat ng parts, they made their own. Ayun na, makikita mo doon, buo na. Wala pa yung mga internal parts. Ay pa, engine
Parts warehouse. So I'm pretty sure na dyan ang kumpleto tayo sa pyesa.
Kompleto sa pyesa. Kung tatanungin nyo kung may pyesa ba ang CFMOTO, proven. Sa Pilipinas, madali lang yan. Papadala lang yan, kompleto ang kasa, suportado ng Motostrada. Diba? Wow, this is big. Ito para sa pamangkin ko, ito para sa kuya ko. Fresh parts. Wow, it's loud in here. Assembly line of CFMOTO. Ni hao.
Ricx!
Napagod na kami mag-vlog. Ang laki masyado ng CFMOTO plant. Grabe oh. Assembly line nila, napakahaba. Imagine the effort that has gone through ang mga engine natin para mabigyan tayo ng mga liwaliw sa mga vlogs natin. All I can do now is look. This engine is for the ATVs. So parang magalit talaga sila kasi pinapasok daw sila ng Sunday. Para sa amin na mga bibisita sa factory. Para dito blanco yung mga assembly line nila. Kung matatandaan nyo yung sa review ni Sir Zach, the CFMOTO stunt ride, dito yun oh, dito mismo sa factory. Makikita nyo yung CFMOTO Pango 650NK, and we're going to the warehouse where they store motorcycle and ATVs. Pwede sa akin isa.
Kung pwede mo lang hinginin, no?
They're actually doing a quality control over the bikes, checking all things. Reassemble na siya dito, and they're gonna ride it out. It's riding it out without a seat. Wow. Just love this bike. Monica, can I ask you a question? How many days to produce a one motorcycle?
Okay, let me ask them.
Okay. Some of those gonna be in Nepal, some of those gonna be in France. It's gonna be
1 or 2 hours.
1 or 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 or 2 hours to produce one motorcycle. So they can produce
2 lines for motorcycle.
2 lines per motorcycle. So how many lines it is? 400, 650 ATVs, right?
Not ATV,
Ah,
for motorcycle.
this plant's just for motorcycle, and ATVs are another
ATVs are there.
right there. So this bike's gonna be all over the world. Imagine all of that is assembled here. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Like, share, and subscribe.
According to Monica, one lane produces 80 motorcycles a day, and they got 4 lanes right here for motorcycle, 320 a day. I wanna try the empty. Okay, nagkaunahan na, no? Te-testingin daw nila. Isang wheelie daw. Wheelie daw simula sa cone hanggang doon sa dulo. Sir, can you hold it? Cheche, malakas nga yung ano, patras.
Eh, sayo ko sana.
Monica.